In this video, let's talk about the text function of Formatter by Zapier, specifically some of the different ways you can reformat text. First, let's take a look at a Zap we have set up using Google Sheets. We have a third-party app writing to this sheet, but let's say we wanted the data to appear differently. We can set up a Zap with a new row trigger and an update row action. In between these steps, we'll insert a formatter action to reformat some of the text and then update the same row with the newly formatted text. We can use the capitalize transform if we want to capitalize the first letter of each word. Great for making sure first and last names read properly. If those names came across already having the proper capitalization, but we needed everything to be lowercase instead, we could use the lowercase transform to make that happen. In some instances, like formatting item codes, you'll want your text to be in all caps, which you can do with the uppercase transform like so. If you're collecting data about movies and books, this is where title case will come into play. You can use title case to capitalize the first character of every word, except for words with fewer than 4 characters. If you need to make words plural, you can do so by selecting the pluralize transform. Now any word sent to Formatter will be output in its plural form. Lastly, the Formatter allows you to replace any character, word, or phrase in the text with another word or phrase. For example, if we need to grab invoice numbers, but they're currently prepended with INV-, we can use the replace transform to replace those characters with another ID, or more commonly, we can just choose not to fill the replace field to delete those characters. Regardless of which transform you use, if you wanted to update your row with the newly reformatted text, simply head down to your Google Sheets action, choose Use a Custom Value for the row dropdown, map in the row ID from your trigger step, and then insert the output of the formatter step into the field you'd like to update. And those are some of the text reformatting options of the Formatter.